So I had planned to put these on a different cup, but I'm now going to put them on this one. Not the best spray paint job, but I'm gonna cover it in glitter, so it'll be okay. So the top part I'm gonna do, let me get the glitters. For the top part over the black, I'm gonna use Twilight, so a holographic black. And then for the bottom part, I'm gonna do Amber. So I didn't have an orange spray paint, so I used a red one. And I'm gonna do that over there. And then I think that those colors will go best with these decals. All right, so I have cut out these two decals. These are both from theglitterguy.com. So I'm going to put them on either side of this cup. Hopefully, I'm going to really try to make this work. It's kind of hard to put big decals on a small cup. I'm really not sure if this is actually gonna work. Yeah. I might just be able to put this one on because this one, when I start to fold it, I can tell there's going to be a problem down here, and there's nowhere that I can cut notches in on this to make sure that it goes on right. So I don't think I can do that one. So I'm gonna have to do only this one. Oops, I realized I wasn't on camera. So I might have to lift up some parts of this because they might not have gone on quite right. I will see what I need to do. That part went down just fine. This part, I feel like there's going to be an issue, but let's see. Okay. A little bit, but I think I'm getting it. I just need to get this little bubble out. So I'm just going to try to push it out. If I can't, then I'm going to lift this up a little bit and then press down again, because these are pretty easy to peel back up. Okay, there it is.